Creating a preventive maintenance program. The first step in creating a preventive maintenance program is to understand what failures can occur and how often they occur. An FMEA outlines this information. For example, if a new asset is being designed, an FMEA allows you to figure out what PMS are necessary to prevent possible failure modes and how often they need to be done. That will allow you to map inputs that go into creating new PMS, including who'll be assigned to the work, what'll trigger the work, what it'll cost, and how long it'll take.